Today is going to be another review. You are looking at affiliate marketing, and this is going to be my only review for the Invincible Marketer. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned till the very end because I'm also going to be sharing with you other programs that might be similar. The whole point of me sharing this review is not to get you into the Invincible Marketer, but it's to get you an overview of the program. What is it about and how it can help? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're doing your due diligence and you want to understand what affiliate marketing is about, then you are in the right place. We're on this channel, guys. We talk about tips, strategies, and everything affiliate marketing related. I geek out on a Wednesday. So if you guys want to check out the tools that I'm using and if it can help you, then make sure to tune in on Wednesday. Otherwise, on a Friday, we're going to be talking about strategies, reviews, so on and so forth. Okay. So let's get into it. Let me share with you my affiliate strategy, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips of Dave. Been here on YouTube for a long time. You can find a lot of videos, a lot of playlists if you subscribe and hit that bell notification because I post 3 times a week. But what I'm going to do, my food is just ready. But what I'm going to do for you guys today is I'm going to cover The Invincible Marketer by Aaron Chen. Now, you might find him on Instagram a lot, even here on YouTube, because one of his primary sources of traffic or advertising is YouTube itself. So I'm actually really happy to do this video. I own this product. This is not something that you're just getting a random review about. I personally have gone through it and I've not finished it actually, but it is an amazing resource. But before I go into the details of it, I want to tell you why I purchased it and why I actually got the Invincible Marketer. So as I said, I'm an affiliate marketer for some time, guys. And in affiliate marketing, the current two skill sets that you need actually in any kind of business, the two skills that you need is you know how to advertise, know how to get visibility, and then convert that advertising into actual sales. Those are the two skill sets that you will spend a lifetime learning, and you should never stop learning them because there are different sources of advertising that come out every single day. But some of them still remain the same and strong. Social media is one of those things that changed the industry completely, right? So from email, it went to social media, but email is still the backbone for the newer way of getting that traffic. To hold that traffic or to hold that advertising and convert that advertising, your email is still important. So those are the different elements or the different stages that you need. I personally have a full-time job. I don't do this full-time, and I've been doing affiliate marketing on the side for some time as well. I've been using my affiliate marketing results to generate a list that builds an ecosystem for myself that I can talk to about my tools, about these videos. I share these videos on my email list, and I'm growing my authority, let me put it that way, in this space for some time. So I'm not a newbie, but I feel like a newbie. Last year, at the end of the year, I decided to invest a little bit more into myself because I wanted to learn about Instagram. I wanted to learn about TikTok. I could see Aaron Chen all over the place. I could see how he was working. And so I decided to get started. So basically, this is why I got into Invincible Marketing in the first place. It's not like I wanted to overwhelm myself, but I reached a point where I said, I need to have a solid foundation when it comes to different streams of advertising. And my main focus, you guys, is on YouTube and on Facebook. Those are the main focuses. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'll actually show you guys how you can get a Facebook one-on-one training. But Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that, I have not really got into. Yes, I randomly posted last year and so on and so forth, but I kept seeing Aaron Chen all over the place, and I also have been following him for years. So he's built that know, like, and trust with me over social media in itself, and which is one of the reasons why I personally got the Invincible Marketer at the end of the year, and I went through it. One of the things, it was a good refresher for me. I was super happy to have it. It doesn't change my focus. It didn't change my focus. I looked at it as a resource that I wanted for my training, for my development, for my education. Okay, so this is the only video. That's why I'm saying this from the beginning. This is the only video that I am creating for as an affiliate, because it is not my primary focus to promote it as an affiliate marketing product, but it is here to give you an idea. And if obviously you do want it, then you can consider getting it in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments. But it is not my primary focus. The training, however, has helped me with so many things. So I'm going to definitely get into all of those details, but I'll also leave a link to this page right here. And I'm going to add the Invincible Marketer to these 3 main programs that I personally use. Okay, so these are the ones that I use for my training, my resources, and each one has a different purpose behind it because of the training that's available. But I will say, I'll give you guys a little bit of an insight in this year of 2026. I think, and I'm pretty sure that the middle one right here, the OLSP system, is going to take over from all of these two. The reason being is because the training that I'm currently getting from Jonathan Montoya, for example, here, which is mainly related to YouTube, or Map, which is a free account that you can create and get your basic training, and then it's helped me with blogging and everything else. I will be finding all of that within the OLSP system in this year of 2026 and beyond. If you're serious about it, there is links in the description to it, but this is not a review on the OLSP system. I'm just saying that. But I'm going to be adding definitely the Invincible Marketer to this list. Why? Because one of the main reasons is that I believe that the Invincible Marketer is a very, very strong program and is a very, very powerful program if you take it seriously. But you don't have to join anything else, guys. You need to really hone down your skill sets, look at it as an education for yourself. So my whole strategy has been learning all the time, how to generate traffic, as you can see in step 2, to my landing page, and then my whole sales system in the process, right? Now, on this channel, I talk about it all the time. Invincible Marketer helps me with exactly that. So as a member, I got started for $67, okay? Cost-wise, it costs you $67 to get started. Now, it might be a monthly fee, $67, because it's a membership website. And sometimes Aaron Chen gives also a discount and gives a one-time price. If the one-time price is available, guys, go for it. Why? Because it is first and foremost not that expensive to get started with. And the training that's there starts off, there's a lot, and I'm saying this very openly, there's a lot that has to do with mindset training. The thing is, we as affiliate marketers, specifically in the wealth niche, when you get started, we want, and we're always searching for new ways of strategies or opportunities that are available. That's not needed. That's actually not needed. And so if you look at it long term, what he's teaching in these core sessions, session 1 of goal setting, of making money tools, making money products, product selection, the value series, all of this is to focus on you as a brand, regardless of the offers and the tools and everything that you have in the background. One thing that you're going to be focusing on is yourself. So this requires a mindset shift, because you're used to maybe right now doing your research or trying to find different areas of affiliate marketing that you can get started with. But the reality is, you just need to focus. Okay. You can have multiple tools on the back end, but on the front end, you are your brand. You are promoting. That is what you're doing. You're solving problems. Affiliate marketing at the end of the day is just solving problems, having those conversations, and you're able to lead those conversations into solutions, which you can be an affiliate for. For example, if you have tools like I use for YouTube, vidIQ, and so on and so forth, those conversations that I'm having with people, if they're struggling with certain things, then why not recommend the tool, and then you get a commission? That is personally how affiliate marketing works. I'm using it as an example, but that is specifically how affiliate marketing works. So this is the entire series. It has about 17 lessons in the 67 per month or $67 member area. And you can see right here, I've got the Authority Hub. I finished. I need to finish the last 3 lessons. Those are a little bit more tricky for me to get into, because I need to have the time to go through it. But in the Get Endless Customers, he covers 2 main traffic sources, which is Instagram and TikTok. So if you are really keen, and he goes through it in such detail, from setting up your account to giving you a plan, a daily checklist of like what to do, how to get the right posts, how to ignite the algorithm. This is very important, and so on and so forth. And then you have also in session number 10, Video Profits, which is kind of an upsell to another course that he has on YouTube, specifically YouTube Mastery, and that's what you're getting there. Both of these areas are things that he's doing on a daily basis. If you go on Instagram, you'll see this. If you go on YouTube, you'll see this. So these are sessions that are really important for you who to follow somebody, to follow a mentor. If you're deciding to keep Aaron Chen as your mentor, to follow a mentor that is actually in the whole affiliate marketing space and is actually doing the work that he's talking about. So this is not just a course. I think this is a lifestyle that he's chosen to share with you guys through it. So a lot has to do with mindset. And to be honest, the way he structured it, he's going to filter out a lot of people who are just here, as we call, freebie seekers. So if you're serious, you're going to stick with this entire program. Okay. So I am still going through it. I'm still using it. I'm using it as a knowledge. I'll give you guys examples of how it's helped me personally in my affiliate marketing journey. So you guys can see that I have a blog right here with my, a blog right here. Okay. these blogs, the way I'm structuring now the blog is helping me because it's my hub. It's my hub. It has, I'm sorry about my voice, guys. I lost my voice last week, and now this week I'm making these videos and my voice is just coming back. So at times it cracks. It's okay. I'm still gonna make these videos, okay? So my blog is the hub. Now I've learned from these core sessions itself that I can create value series within my blog that I can now leverage as real estate, but I can now leverage it and send them to my follow-up series. So when people opt into my email list, they're basically going to be getting different blog posts that are helping them, are purely targeted to nurture those customers, those people who want a realistic roadmap that actually makes sense with affiliate marketing, those people who want to see how beginners can build organic traffic with affiliate marketing using Facebook. So I've broken it down, and at the end of all of these blog posts, to give you an example, there is a button right here that monetizes these blog posts. So in order for me to generate, first and foremost, views to my blog, it's helping because I'm using an advertising source to get people to my list and then send out here. But I never thought about this. I was sending an email, and that email was kind of the value. And I said to myself, you know what? At the end of the day, not a lot of people, they need a lot of touch points. You need a lot of touch points for cold traffic to convert into a sale. With me sharing value series like this, I'm not selling anything. I'm actually just giving away all my knowledge in these posts. They can make a decision. If they want to join, they click on that button and they join. So this way I can have an ecosystem within my email list, as well as on my blog posts, as well as on my YouTube channel, that all align with each other. One day I can send a video, the next day I can send a blog post, or I can send a blog post and then a video, and then finally at the end of that value series, have the main sales page going there. So this whole logic, this whole process was, I learned from other places as well, but I understood it here within Aaron Chen's Invincible Market. I'm sharing you these nuggets that came out. So for me, just that itself has generated me sales already. Just that itself has given me the opportunity to build my own affiliate business, which is focused on another product, is focused on another offer. But it doesn't mean I don't learn things in the process, which is why this offer, Invincible Marketer, has been on the market for such a long time, because it is evergreen. It is not something that happens that is left on to yesterday. In the lifetime coaching calls, guys, you can see right here that he's been doing this since 2019, right up to 2026. Okay, so we're not trying to, it's about 6 years that this program, there's not even a program, it's just a training course. Okay, it's not a program, it's a training course that's available, and you get all of this information. And not everybody will take action on it, but it doesn't matter. He is still consistent with it because first and foremost, he's generating a lifestyle for himself. So he's an affiliate for his own product, as well as he's generating an income through other affiliate products on his email list. So this is how he's doing it, adding value, giving a hub. This is the hub for people to learn. Now, the lifetime resources and the lifetime coaching calls, and as well as the advanced strategies, are available only for lifetime members. That is a lifetime member. I think so. There's an upsell about, I think it's $500 if I'm not mistaken, or maybe more. I'm not 100% sure. I need to check that out. So you guys will see it in the funnel itself. But if you just get the 67, you get access to all of these. You get access to the Facebook community, which you can ask whatever information and he responds. He's a really good admin for the Facebook group. So I suggest to be a part of it just because of that. And then in the you can become an affiliate. For those of you guys who are already affiliate marketers and you want to add to your ecosystem an affiliate product that is worth it, that is going to help your audience, that is not some fly by night kind of offer, you can get started and become an affiliate as well very easily without even owning the product. Obviously, if you do own the product, it gets more credibility. But if you want to be comfortable enough to share it with somebody, I'm just telling you that from my personal opinion and from the training that I've gone through, I love it. I haven't finished the entire training, guys. You can see I'm 81% complete. I don't know actually if you guys can see the end of my screen, but I'm 81% complete in this entire training. As I said, this is the only video that I'm going to be making, and I'm saying this as a guarantee that this is the only video that I'm going to be making for Invincible Marketer, not because I don't want to promote it, but because my focus is on other programs personally that I am involved with, that I've invested in, that I can see are working for me and are my core focus. Remember, this is a resource that I'm using for Instagram and for YouTube. If you're looking at Instagram and as a main source of traffic, then consider the Invincible Marketer. If you are looking for Facebook as one of your income sources, then as I mentioned in the sections below, I will have a link to the OLSP system, which gives you a Facebook one-on-one training, and is my main focus. Because I'm focused on Facebook, this is why I believe that the OLSP system is the place to be, apart from the other reasons. Okay, again, this is not to promote the OLSP system or anything like that. I'm just giving you guys a realistic idea of what I'm doing. I want to be transparent, I want to be honest. I think Invincible Marketer gets a 10 out of 10 from me in terms of mindset, in terms of advertising, in terms of content, for you to get the basics. One thing that I will say that you have to consider is that this takes work. This is not something that can be done overnight. Strategies are available. The content is available. The plan is available. The accountability is available. All you need to do is put in the work yourself. And this is one of the most difficult things, but if you do it, you will benefit from it in the long term. I'm saying this because we cannot rely, guys, we can leverage AI for so many things right now. So it becomes easier to put in the work and the tasks. But if you are not ready to put in that work, affiliate marketing, at least in the wealth niche, is pointless for you. Okay. So make sure that you take advantage of it. Check out the Invincible Marketer, watch the page yourself, and if you want to become an affiliate for it, you can become an affiliate for it. All those things are available. I hope that gave you a good overview. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. I'm happy to answer all your questions before you get to join. I will leave my affiliate link in the description and the pinned comments. But again, ask whatever questions you want, because this is the only video that I'm going to be making on Invincible Marketer. Guys, I hope that you got value out of this. Please hit a like and subscribe to the channel if you did. And on next Friday, we're going to be doing continuation of a Pinterest strategy that I've been talking about already on this channel. So look forward to seeing you on next Friday's video. But until then, have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.